Time makes the disciplined rich and the impatient broke. Most people don't lose money because they're unlucky. They lose it because they're impatient. They want results now, fast money, quick wins, no waiting. But wealth doesn't reward speed. It rewards consistency. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned about 10% per year over the long term. Yet the average investor earns far less, not because the market fails, but because people panic, chase hype, buy late, and sell early. Disciplined investors do one boring thing: they stay invested. Impatient people jump in and out, letting fear make decisions for them, and every emotional move quietly steals from their future. Time is neutral. It only multiplies habits. Small, consistent actions compound into freedom. Delay and restarting compound into regret. That's why discipline looks slow at first and unstoppable later. Because in the end, time always chooses a side. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment, like, and share. Also, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok.